On each and every leaf of this new flower, there are some questions and some answers it asks. What was it that went into creating me? What did it take to bring forth such magnificence? Some of the leaves look straight up to the sky, and they are bright and full. Others point downwards to the earth. They seem so joined to the roots of a flower. They look at the stem and say, "We do not look like you, and yet part of you is in us, and is us in you." The question is asked, are you the reason we are here, or are we here to help create you? If love is that seed, then it's both the question and the answer. And so it is with Stephen and Jessica. They are here both for themselves and for each other.
Wow.
And so we are blessed to be gathered here at the Gap, one of the world's most beautiful and unique locations, to acknowledge the formal joining in the legal state of matrimony with Jessica and Stephen. For Jessica and Stephen, of course, it is so much more than mere legal state. It is a bond of trust and of love, true love, and of companionship. It means that today, before all of you, they will declare about their private internal voices. The state of matrimony, as understood by us, is a state ennobled and enriched by a long and honorable tradition of devotion, virtue, and purity. There is a desire for lifelong companionship and a generous sharing of the help and comfort that husband and wife ought to gain from each other, through whatever circumstances of sickness or health, joy or sorrow, prosperity or adversity they may experience in their lives.
Call on those present to witness that I, Stephen Andrew Lyle, take Jessica Mary Buckerfield Smith to be my lawful wedded wife.
To have and to hold from this day forward, in whatever circumstance or experience life may hold for us.
From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. talked for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
With this ring, as the token and pledge of the vow and covenant of my word,
I call upon those persons present to witness that I, Jessica, take thee, Stephen, to be my lawful wedded husband.
Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Now, by the authority of the Province of British Columbia, the Church of the Covenant, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I pronounce you husband and wife.
I'm incredibly happy that you found the person who's not only share your life with, but to get to all those adventures with.
You have proven yourselves as a dynamic duo, and we can't wait to watch your teamwork grow in your marriage and eventually as parents.
I'd ask you all to raise your glass to Mr. and Mrs. Lyle.
So having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done.
They love the time they spend together, and I hope, as I'm sure you do, that this feeling will last forever. He'll be more than just her husband, he'll also be her friend. And she'll be more than just his wife. She'll be his soulmate until the very end.
And I'm feeling good.